Guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable user descriptions notifications on your OK app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile, and all you have to do now, so you just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to next pair. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications on screen. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. You keep going down here. You come here to user subscriptions here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean user subscriptions disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.